To create a Cash App account in Bangladesh, you need to follow a series of steps. First, download the Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, tap on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address. Choose one and enter it in the required field. You will then receive a verification code on your chosen contact method. Enter the verification code to proceed. Next, you will be asked to create a username, also known as a $cashtag. This is a unique identifier that will be used to send and receive money. Choose a username that is easy to remember and not already taken by someone else. After creating your $cashtag, you will be asked to link your bank account or debit card to the Cash App. This is necessary to add and withdraw money from your account. You can link your account by providing the required bank details or by scanning your debit card. Once your account is linked, you will need to verify your identity. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure that your account is safe. You will be asked to provide your name, date of birth, and address. You may also be asked to provide a copy of your national ID card or passport. After verifying your identity, you can start using your Cash App account to send and receive money. You can also use the app to invest in stocks and buy Bitcoin. To add money to your account, tap on the Add Money button and enter the amount you want to add. You can also use the app to send money to friends and family by tapping on the Send Money button and entering the recipient's $cashtag. It is essential to note that Cash App is not officially available in Bangladesh, and using it may be subject to certain restrictions. However, some users have reported being able to access the app using a VPN. It is crucial to understand the terms and conditions of the app and any applicable laws and regulations in your country before using it. In conclusion, creating a Cash App account in Bangladesh requires careful consideration of the app's availability and restrictions in the country. By following the steps outlined above and understanding the terms and conditions of the app, you can create a Cash App account and start using it to send and receive money.